Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can switch between the language models used on Perplexity AI in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Alright, so let me navigate to Perplexity AI, and there are two things to consider here, guys. So the first thing to consider is that you can switch between various language models in your communication with the AI, for example, by clicking into this button just below your question or request here. And for example, GPT 5.4, Gemini, Claude, Sonar, and this one here. However, guys, there's also one thing to consider. For example, I can't access or switch to any of these language models here because I don't have the necessary account permission or level permission for that. So that's the second thing to consider. If you or if your account has access to the given account level or status, click into this button and switch to the given language model, and after that enter your question or command or request here to use the given language model for that. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.